Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best video editing software, and that software name is AceMovi Video Editor. Where is available, how to use, how to download, and what is exactly process. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe the TuneKit AceMovi Video Editor YouTube channel so you can receive very easily latest video if you are download the software and use the software. So this platform is very helpful for you. So simply open new tab, Google, and enter here AceMovi best video editor. So look at this here, first link is display here. I already put this link in same video description. TuneKit AceMovi, easy to use, video edit and much more. I click here and boom, this is the framework of this platform. Now they are providing get free gifts up to 50% off. So here easy to video editing software, create edit high quality, and some much more informations are available here. You can visit on website and see all information. We can click here download. The software size is 160. After finish the download, I click twice, agree. Actually I am always use this software only for the video editing point of view, and I publish on my YouTube channel. Simply drag and drop. The software is available Windows and Mac also, depend upon which operating system you are using. It's very simple. So the software is, after finish the installation, software are come here, and now I open the software. Sometimes such kind of message are coming here. So how to fix out this message? Open your system preferences, and inside the system preferences, security and privacy options are available. Look at this here. Without you open anyway, the software can't open. So I uncheck. First of all, I close this one and open anyway. Open. Now the software is open very easily. I close this one. So look at this. The software framework look like here. Some of the demo tutorials are available. If you are focusing on some specific portion of this video, you can watch those videos also. So this is the editor of the software. It's very simple and easy to understand also. No need to watch other tutorial. You just simply follow my tips and tricks and you can very easily make a best of best video. So first of all, we need to import here. You just click here and select your video. So I just upload here one of the 8-second file. Otherwise you can drag and drop, as well as I will drop here one song file. So one is video frame, second one is one song. So first of all, I take a song and then video frame. Just I simply add the video frame. So which match of media, keep project setting. So I can go with that simple as usual normal. So first of all, like my video length is a small and this particular music length is so big. So now question come here, how I crop this song. So just simply click here. Now I just crop this song. Now I select this frame and cut. So look at this, the portion is cut, and then after select here and delete. So look at this, my video frame and song is same size. If you want increase or decrease the volume, so you just simply select here, drag and drop. Otherwise volume options are available here. You can select the volume up and down. So almost I am taking like 80% down, and then I can listen the song video. It's very easily. Here several options are available here, which sticker, which background color you want change. So you can select and very easily change. But here I just simply add one of the sticker here. For example, I add here one of the stickers. Suppose for example, this is wow. So first of all, you need to download this one, and just very simple. It's very small size. And then after finish the download, you just simply add here, and you can decide the sticker location. So suppose for example, I play here. So first of all, I select this one and then decide the particular sticker location of the where exactly I put it this one in my particular screen. So it's very, and then I play the video. So the video, the sticker are coming here like this. It's very simple. So you can add any kind of sticker very easily, which sticker you want like. So if you increase this particular the video length, so here addition options are available. You can very easily, and then you can cut out particular screen like this. So here the particular portion is voice is not available, so you can crop from this particular frame here and then cut out this particular portion. So this is one of the frame, and you can decide this particular sticker starting and ending position, so accordingly you select here. Second option come here, and number of background musics are available, but as a background music point of view, I'm not using any kind of commercial music, because of I use the commercial music in my video, so I am receiving the copyright claim. So that point of view I'm not using. Here text are available, so this text you can use as a title point of view. So suppose for example I add this one text and then I play the video here from like this, and my text come here. So I can select this one and decide of the location, as well as I can change the text also very easily, and then go back again here and then play the video. So look at this, the text are coming here. It's very simple. You can change, you can add anything. Here some filters are available, which filters you like. You can change this particular color so look like this, but I don't like this one. So you decide which color you like and which color you don't like. Accordingly you can add very easily here. So this is a simple demo, so you can select one of them and then change your video frames and improve the quality. Here some of the transients are available here, so you can use those transients. For example, I just simply select this one and put it here. So and then I play the video here from, look at this, the transient are coming here. So such kind of transient you can use and create the video much more effectively. So here all our frames, you can record this particular screen also using the software. So this is a alternative options, no need to any kind of third-party software installed to record the particular screen, and the software is available Windows and Mac also. So this is the output, and now for my video is done. So how I export this video or how I save this video? So simple, here export options are available. So I click here. In this export option, several extensions are available. Which extension you want, accordingly decide. I go with MP4 and output path. I provide the output path is my desktop, and you can put it here the video name. So suppose for example demo_video. I just simply give it to name of this video. You can change here. Setting options are available: high quality, small file size, or custom. So I go with high quality, and the file size is a 24.29 MB only, because of 8 MBs 8 seconds video is this. And then export and continue, and boom, the video is exporting starting. We will wait, and then we can see final video outcome. Okay, so look at this. Here is video is display here. So I play here. First of all, I reduce the size because of otherwise you listen the voice. So look at this. This is my final video, and it's quite good. All features are come. I'm applying here. Watermark is come. If you don't want add the watermark, so you need to purchase this software, and this software price is very small. So here bucket options are available. You just simply click the option and look at the choose your plan. AceMovi. Here Windows and Mac operating systems also available. Both features are same and prices also same. Here 1 year plan like a $49.95 only, not so much expensive. Monthly plan also available here, less than $20, and lifetime plan is also available here, $69.95 only. So I decided I go with this plan because of once I pay here $69.95, around $70, and I can purchase this software for lifetime membership. It's quite interesting. If you have any problem, you can comment me. Definitely I will help. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.